How to use stock screener in TradingView. So using this for swing trading, pretty much TradingView includes your stock screen over here that helps traders, or you just find stocks that match specific criteria. From just the overview, you got performance, extended hours, to lots more other options over here. You even change the specific categories like your price, your volume, and even sectors. There's even the analyst rating where if it's worth buying or if it's just something you should start going for selling. But other than that, if you want to go ahead and start using this feature, you can just go ahead and enter this section and select the market you want to scan. But it should just all appear directly over here. But you can add basic filters such as your price from maybe $5 or above. You can put in your volume, a minimum volume above 500k or up to a million. Now you can't add those specific filters, but you can put it on the ascending if you'd like. You can put it on descending if you want to take a look at the ones that maybe has potential, but of course it's rarely happening. So just go ahead with the descending option, I suppose, and a minimum percentage change to remove the inactive stocks. So with that, the filters will help narrow the results to liquid stocks that have enough movement for short-term trading opportunities. Next, you can add technical indicators commonly used by the supposed swing traders, such as price above 50-day moving average, price above 200-day, or an RSI between 50 to 70 to identify stocks in a strong trend. After applying those filters, you can sort the results by the volume, relative volume, or even percentage change. So you can find the most active stocks that way. You can then click any stock in the list to open its chart and then look for the setups like maybe your breakouts, pullbacks to support levels, or continuation patterns, which is definitely pretty common for swing trading strategies, but that is the general idea on how you use the stock screener or that feature in TradingView. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.